Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on Constitution of India Part 7. Now, question number 1. Which of the following is called mini constitution? Options are A. Government of India Act 1935, B. 42nd Constitutional Amendment, C. 44th Constitutional Amendment, D. Government of India Act 1919. Correct option is B. 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Question number 2. Which of the following statements is false? A. Most of the structure of the Indian Constitution has been taken from the Government of India Act 1935. B. The original constitution had 10 schedules. C. The political part of the Indian constitution is taken from the British constitution. D. Article 368 is related to the constitutional amendment. Correct option is B. The original constitution had 10 schedules. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a feature of Indian parliamentary system? A. Majority party power. B. Presence of actual executive and nominal executive. C. Appointment of executive to the legislature. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 4. Which of the following is not matched correctly? A. Right to equality. Article 14 to 18. B. Rights against exploitation. Article 20 to 22. C. Right to religious freedom. Article 25 to 28. D. Right to cultural and educational freedom. Article 29 to 30. Correct option is B. Rights against exploitation. Article 20 to 23. Question number 5. Which of the following is not matched correctly? A. Part 1st, Union and its territories. B. Part 2nd, Citizenship. D. Part 3rd, Directive Principles and State Policy. C. D. Part 4th, Part 6, State Governments. Correct option is C. Part 3rd, Directive Principle and State Policy. Question number 6. Which of the following is not matched correctly? A. Article 312, the functions of public service commissions. B. Article 110, definition of money bill. C. Article 112, budget. D. Article 15A, fundamental duties. Correct option is A. Article 312, the functions of public service commission. This is not matched properly. Now question number 7. The idea of concurrent list in the Indian constitution is taken from the constitution of dash A. Ireland, B. Canada, C. Australia, D. Japan. Correct option is C. Australia. Question number 8. 7th schedule is concerned with dash A. From languages, B. Partition of powers between center and states, C. From the judicial area of the states, D. From Panchayati Raj. Correct option is B. Partition of powers between center and states. Question number 9. What is not taken from British Constitution in the Constitution of India? A. Parliamentary rule. B. Single citizenship. C. Fundamental rights. D. Cabinet system. Correct option is C. Fundamental rights. Question number 10. Which of the following articles cannot be null during the national emergency? Options are A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 19, C. Article 20-21, D. Article 29-30. Correct option is C. Article 20-21. Question number 11. Which country has the lengthiest constitution in the world? A. The United States, B. France, C. India, D. Japan. Correct option is C. India. Question number 12. What is the date of adoption of the Constitution? A. 26th November 1949, B. 26th January 1950, C. 15th of August 1947, D. 30th January 1960. Correct option is A. 26th November 1949. Question number 13. Which of the three words were added later to the preamble? A. Justice, liberty, equality, B. Socialist, republic, justice, C. Sovereign, fraternity, political, D. Secular, socialist, integrity. Correct option is D. Secular, socialist, integrity. Question number 14. Which article in the Constitution provides guidelines for amending the preamble? A. Article 30, B. Article 200, C. Article 368, D. Article 256. Correct option is C. Article 360. 15. Which famous case involved the term basic structure of the constitution? Options are A. Keswaranand Bharati versus State of Kerala 1973, B. Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India 1978, C. Visakha versus State of Rajasthan 1997, D. Indira Sahni versus Union of India 1992. Correct option is A. Keswaranand Bharati versus State of Kerala 1973. Question number 16. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to equality? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 23 to 24, C. Article 32, D. Article 368. Correct option is A. Article 14 to 18. 17. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to freedom? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 19 to 22, C. Article 32, D. Article 368. Correct option is B. Article 19 to 22. 18. Which articles of the Constitution grants us the right against exploitation? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 23 to 24, C. Article 32, D. Article 368. Correct option is B. Article 23 to 24. 19. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to freedom of religion? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 23 to 24, C. Article 25 to 28, D. Article 368. Correct option is C. Article 25 to 28. 20. Which articles in the Constitution grants us the right to constitutional remedies? A. Article 14 to 18, B. Article 23 to 24, C. Article 32, D. Article 368. Correct option is C. Article 32. What is the date of adoption of the Constitution? Though this question was covered earlier. A. 26th November 1949, B. 26th January 1950, C. 15th of August 1947, D. 30th January 1960. Correct option is A. 26th November 1949. 22. The feature of concurrent list in our constitution is borrowed from which country's constitution? A. Japan, B. Ireland, C. United States, D. Australia. Correct option is D. Australia. 23. Which constitutional amendment added the part of fundamental duties to the Constitution? A. 42nd Constitutional Amendment, B. 62nd Constitutional Amendment, D. 78th Constitutional Amendment, D. 34th Constitutional Amendment. Correct option is A. 42nd Constitutional Amendment. 24. The Westminster model of government followed by India is borrowed from A. British form of government, B. United States, C. Japanese form of government, D. Australian form of government. Correct option is A. British form of government. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.